Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
Start by confirming you are the workspace owner in Notion settings. Open Settings and Members and verify your owner role now. Next, navigate to Settings and then export all workspace content to create a backup. Choose HTML or Markdown and include attachments for full fidelity. Begin the export and wait for the archive to complete before proceeding. Download the archive to local storage or cloud backup for safe keeping. Before deleting, go to Settings and then Billing to cancel any paid plan. If invoices exist, settle or change plans to avoid unexpected charges. If you are not the final owner, transfer ownership to another trusted member first. Also audit and remove integrations, API keys, and connected apps to stop external access. Confirm that all team members know the timeline and that critical workflows have been archived or moved. To delete, open Settings and Members and choose Delete Workspace at the bottom. Notion will prompt for confirmation and your password to finalize the action. Confirm the deletion only after verifying your exported archive is complete and billing is canceled. Deleting removes memberships, pages, databases, and shared links across the workspace. If deletion was accidental, immediately contact Notion support to request recovery, understanding that.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.